want to go through some more of the catalog here. Another one where this was one of the first times I actually heard another artist call up other artists directly on a record was Who Said Me Done. All right. That was when you called up Buju, Admiral Bailey, Grindsman, Ninjaman, Capleton, and Cobra. How did you come up with that record there?
Well, that record, so yeah, good story. When Tiger just come out to the song, you didn't know. How you take man fap and I read him there. Was shocking vibes with him. And I voice that song, wait the man for shocking vibes. And when me leave the studio, one of my friends in the ear, the whole of man, them a laugh after me tune. I say, how Cutty I go with that, right? I look like Cutty thing I take a nose dive. And the man come tell me, I did have a show down at Watch and go do the show down there and book up run into where him name there, book up Courtney Cole or One Roof International label.
Yes.
And One Roof International Club. And Courtney Cole end up give me an extra money if you do a show up at the club. And then Courtney Cole I say, him have a ready man, he want me upon it. He would like me if you come over to Roof and come be on the Roof label. I tell you, so I can advise 1 or 2 singles for you, but me is a Penthouse artist. You're not leaving Penthouse because it's not good for left the roots. You know? The root of the team, because Penthouse is still part of the root in spite of all the Penthouse boss are do. You understand? But at the end of the day, I eventually, because of what the man them in a Patrick Robertson in a Shocking Vibes studio was doing, I'm not going to say Patrick Robertson have anything to do with it. It's the engineer and some little man in there. Probably, you know, jealousy and bad mind, I don't know.
Okay.
If I that cause it and them a laugh after me tune. So me just go back and record the song for Roof. And then when we did voice it for Shocking Vibe, we never put the 6 million ways to die in it. So we just add the 6 million ways to die to it. Choose one. You understand? So that just make it even more perfect and put more energy in it too. Shell with the place with it. And to be honest with you, honestly, after I voice the song, I never think this song going to be any major hit.
Okay.
To be honest with you, I never think the song was going to be like a major hit. You see me?
Yeah.
So, let us say, you know what? We never believe in a song like that.
Yeah.
You hear me?
Yeah, man.
Yeah. We never believe in a song like that to say it's going to be a major hit. So, yes, when the song, what Barry O'Reilly do, we like take the Murder She Wrote rhythm and combine it with the Wonderful World, Beautiful People rhythm from Jimmy Cliff.
Yeah.
It's like Barry O'Reilly becomes a genius. Sly is the one who create the Bam Bam rhythm and possibly the other one too. But it's like him, where Barry O'Reilly take it now and, you know, merge the two beats together. It's the first I ever see that. I'm the first one probably ever come out on a 2 rhythm. One rhythm merge into another rhythm in Jamaica, which is the Wait the Man. The Who Said Me Done. That are the title. Wait the Man and Who that come with the 6 million ways to die sample. And what Barry O'Reilly do when he drop his song, 8 weeks that spent a number 1 in England. And Jamaica was a number 1 song too. To be honest. Everywhere it hit, just number 1 position.
Yeah.
You see? That is before me come up with the other song, Limb by Limb, but we don't reach this yet.
Yeah.
Right?
Okay. Because I wanted to know what made you actually put everybody's name in it? Buju, Admiral Bailey, Grindsman.
Yes, that part now we're going to answer now. Look, in those days, Buju, not even like Grindsman. Grindsman is just have a name within the dancehall circle, but he never have many records. You understand? So he never really that significant. But, you know, is a youth where me and Grindsman was bridging. Cool like that. And first of all, Buju was a very significant artist. And all of the other artists, them name what I call.
Ninjaman, Capleton, Admiral Bailey.
Ninjaman and all of the people them name we call in that song was significant. And let me tell you something about me pre. If I don't consider you significant, I not call your name and put your name in my song. And that only ever make you more famous.
Yeah.
You understand?
Yeah.
So I must rate you why me do it.
Got
you.
you.
See? You start the thing and it's a way to create that, you know, controversy there and you can make more money that way there. Just like what Bounty Killer and Beanie Man them used to do clash with them one another. And now they turn friend. Yeah. Same thing. Cartel and Movado. It's the same thing. You understand? So that was the reason why we put Buju in there, and because Buju is a very significant artist. So me have to tell him to come off of the right. You understand? Yeah. You see?
Yeah.
Admiral Bailey, you know, was a artist when me and him did have a beef before that. You know, after a while we outgrew it. But in those days we did have a beef. Now we don't know details.
Yeah.
You know, from my incident in England. So we just have to just knock him in the face with that one day. You understand? Yeah. You see, so it's more for more than one reason. You see, but at the same time, him still have to give me respect based upon I put him name in my tune because it make him even more significant. Because me look on the thing from both angles, you know. If you're not significant, why me should I call your name? Right? If you move to Killer right and try call Killer name and you're not significant, it don't answer you.
No. Makes no sense. This podcast is brought to you by www.twolinedmusichut.com.